Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to schedule night light on Windows. So for this case we have to go to the search options. Here already I have. So here this has a lot, this have lots of things. So here we will go to or click here the display settings. See the night light, so use warmer colors to help block blue night light. So enter in this system. So here the by default it has off. Now I want to on this system. So here the on. So this is the things what the schedule night light. So here I can schedule night uh, light. So turn on set hours, we can see it. So we can fix these things. The settings has been appear on these systems also, AM PM, and also we can turn off these systems in this way when it has been off. So in this way we can set these things. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.